engathi uma uphile uzame uphila impilo yomunye umuntu and not impilo wena uNkulunkulu akubekele ukuthi uyiphile, ne? And never be scared, ne? Because sizokhuluma thina siyabantu and say a lot of things. Never be scared of living ngalendlela uNkulunkulu afuna uphile ngayo, ne? Because eyesibili ngiletha kweyesibili into engifuna ukuyisho, you know, siyabahlonipha abantu and everything, but ngiyakucela mntanami, never be caught up, ne, in the abantu bazothini syndrome, ne? Never be caught up in the abantu bazothini syndrome, ne? Consult God on your path. Your path is special, ayifani yomunye umuntu. Kungaba sengathi yafana but ayifani. And stick to the purpose and stick to your path. Sizokhuluma thina sithini, try and not live your life according to ukuthi abantu bafuna uyiphile kanjani, because kuzofika lo athi yenza nje, uthi usenza nje, fika omunye athi yenza nje, uthi usenza nje, fika omunye athi yenza nje. End up uphila impilo confused, ne? And ungayi achieve purpose uNkulunkulu akudalele yona. Okugcina ke ngifuna ukusho ukuthi ipurpose uNkulunkulu asidalele yona, ne, always involves not wena kuphela. Ungakhuli uphila, I know ukuthi isilungu sithi it's about me, myself and I, but that's not true. In our culture it's always about you, yes, it's always about your family, yes, but always have time to also contribute. Enkonzweni, contribute with community ophila kuyona. Be intentional about that. Be intentional about being a blessing, not only to yourself, not only to your family, but also to the people that you live among. Lastly, ne, ngiyacela likhwezi, ne, our children, especially the boy child, especially the black boy child, they are challenged. They lack role models. Ngiyacela mntanami, be a role model to those who are coming after you, ne? And if enkonzweni you don't know how to contribute, don't worry ngabantu abadala. Kudala khulunywa nathi. Awukucontribute kulabo abaza emva kwakho, ne? They need your contribution. They need your experience. They need ulikhwezi. So ngiyacela, if nje ungangenzela leyo favor mntanami, go back and contribute to those abezimva kwakho. Ngiyabonga. Lalela le 20 ngithi masihlomule ngemali, ne? Uyayazi ke imali ukuthi imali is a means to an end, right? You must always have goals, right? Ungathi mina ngiyafunda ngifundela ukuthi ngibe nemali, ayikho leyo nto leyo. Ngiyayizwa nje uqhoma besho bethi ngifuna uba nemali eningi, ayikho lo nto leyo. Uma ufunda, funda so that you achieve your goal. Have goals ofuna ukuzi-achieve, and then imali is just an enabler, a means to get you where you want to get to bless those who don't have, ne? It's never about you only, but it's always about also blessing other people. Ngiyabonga ke, nansi ngivula umlomo, ngizwe ngosisi la ukuthi ngivula umlomo. And then nansi ke eyakho, ne? Enjoy ukujeqe wakho. Ayikho na vegetarian or inyama. Okay, siyabonga sisi. Shani isandla phela. Nice one.